Oh, we got Game of Thrones, we got a few of those, and then one of the Walking Dead. So, the blind bags. Oh yeah. Open that puppy up. Let's see what we got. Need help? I think the easiest way is probably put your finger in there and...
You will pack it.
Yeah, sit next to Big Bird.
The pack's good is evil. But I don't...
Whichever part, don't leave yet.
Ta-da!
Ah! Daddy, why you have scissors on your key?
Just do. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, they come in a little bag.
You have to build them.
Yeah, big pile of parts. I don't know. One of the guys. Okay, here, stick it in the bag. Yeah, you really do gotta put it together. Yeah, toss it in the bag. What does the paper look like?
They have all the guys.
Here, can you open it up? Oh, directions.
Daddy, we need the scissors again.
Okay, here.
No, I got it.
Alright, what zombie do we get? No, we got the one we wanted. The guy with the crossbow. Hey, I did it.
Instructions again.
Pretty awesome. Okay, put in the bag. So that's Daryl Dixon. Wow, what are the odds you get the one you wanted? Pretty cool. Here, put it in the bag. Okay, grab the next box.
What's the next box?
There's more blind bags.
Where?
In the bag? No, grab an unopened one. Okay, any help?
I need the nut. I need the scissors. It is my sister's friend watching this at her school named Christina, and Riley's watching this.
What do we got? Oh, looks like the same guy again. Oh, here, stick it in the bag. Hey, get the next one. Here. Grab the next one.
I need to get the instructions out.
Come on, hey, get up right now.
Here.
Hey, come here.
What do we get? Oh, we got it!
The dragon!
We got the dragon!
I want the pretty go in the wall.
Well, I was going for the dragon. I got the dragon.
I was going for the go in the wall.
Well, let's see. We got still got 2 more to open. I don't know. That's pretty good. We got the ones we wanted.
I hope this is the goal.
Yeah, let's see. Can you help? Here. These are
I
tough
need
to
a
open.
little tiny scissors. My daddy has a little tiny scissors on his car keys.
Alright, let's look at the figure. What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? What do you get? Oh, we got some dude with a cool cloak.
It comes.
Alright, one more. I think there's one more.
Daddy, look.
Yeah.
I can't feel anything.
No, I think there's one more in the bag. Check. Here, check in the bag. I think there's one more. See if he's in one more bag.
I hope this one is the lady.
Can you help? Scissors?
Little tiny scissors you can fit on the airplane. Oh no!
Oh no! There it comes. What do we get? What do we get? It's the same guy again.
It wasn't the good. Whoa!
Very cool.
It looks like a dragon.
Okay. Pretty cool. We'll have to go home, put them together, and take a picture. Okay, bye-bye.